Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study calculus fast. First, focus on understanding the core concepts deeply before memorizing formulas. Breaking down complex topics into smaller, manageable sections will make the learning process much less daunting. Always ask yourself the why behind each mathematical operation, rather than just the how. Visual aids and diagrams are incredibly helpful for grasping abstract ideas quickly and effectively. Effective practice is key to rapid improvement. Make sure to practice a wide variety of problems, ranging from easy to more challenging ones. Always work through example problems step by step. This helps solidify your understanding of the process. Don't just move on from incorrect answers. Review them carefully to identify and correct any common errors. Dedicate at least 1 hour daily to consistent problem solving for best results. Optimizing your study habits can significantly accelerate your learning. Try explaining concepts aloud to yourself. This simple act reinforces your own comprehension. Even better, teach a topic to a friend or study group for a much deeper level of learning. Implement spaced repetition techniques for long-term memory retention, reviewing material at increasing intervals. Remember to take short, frequent breaks to maintain focus and prevent burnout. To wrap up, make full use of the many online resources available, such as video tutorials and interactive exercises. Never hesitate to ask questions when you encounter difficulties. Clarification is crucial for progress. And speaking of valuable resources, if you're looking to improve your financial understanding, check out the link in the description for the simple path to wealth and other great deals. Finally, stay persistent and remember to celebrate those small victories along your calculus learning journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.